Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank, created by Sarah Valentine, the actor's accent coach. My name is Anastasia. I was born in Leningrad in the Soviet Union and I grew up in St Petersburg in Russia. This is my natural Russian accent. I usually wake up early in the morning and make myself a coffee before starting the day. If I have time, I'll sit by the window, check my messages, and think about everything I need to do. I enjoy good food, good company, and having a laugh with people I trust. I parked my car near the large dark garage at the far end of the road. The weather today is warm and bright, but the air feels calm and light. I like walking along the beach, listening to the waves and watching the sky change color. Would you like a glass of water or would you prefer some juice? When I travel, I enjoy noticing how people speak differently from place to place. Some accents sound sharp and quick, while others feel slower and more relaxed. Often, it's the small vowel changes that make the biggest difference. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A for apple, B for banana, C for coffee, D for door, E for evening, F for father, G for garden, H for holiday, I for ice cream, J for Johnny, K for kitchen, L for language, M for mother, N for number, O for orange, P for paper, Q for question, R for river, S for Sarah, lovely, T for tomorrow, U for umbrella, V for Valentine, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn accents for acting or voice work, please. Thank you very much. Goodbye.